All right, we're out here to cut some weeds. You can see where we ended up down there. So we've got a few different guys to run today. I'm gonna run the SRM 225U with the handlebars till I run out of gas. Then the Husqvarna 525 till I run out of gas. Then we'll go to the Echo 225 there for the rest of the time here. Probably not going to do a whole lot of talking, but I did bring the mount so I could mount the Hero 11 Mini to the trimmer. So I'll do that so you can get some close-up action, and we'll probably talk when I'm done. All right, let's get to it. Gotta get some good up. There's my weed gear right there. So it just occurred to me I should probably explain why I'm doing what I'm doing. So the 225U and the 525, they both need work. Tune up spark plug air filters, primer bulbs, cleaned up. They need some work. They've been worked hard, put away wet for a long time. But they have fuel in them, like maybe half a tank each. So I'm just burning the fuel up basically. That's all I'm doing. That's why I say I'm going to run them till I run out of fuel, and then we'll switch over to the new Echo 225 and have some more fun with that one. So, all right, here we go. Hey guys, so I want to be clear about something here. I know somebody's going to say, well, you use a metal blade, use a metal blade. I have metal blades. We do not use metal blades right now. Some people do. I just call it, it's not smart. It's not smart. I just call it like it is. The fire danger right now, we're in, it's September 16th. This is like the height of fire season here. And it's just, you don't use metal blades in stuff this dry. Or pretty much at all this time of year. We stop right around in like June, you know, when things start turning golden brown, you know, when we start seeing the fields turning golden, I keep an eye on it, and then I make the decision at some point in time, metal blade stops when we're doing weeds. We still use metal blades for lawns and stuff, but I won't run tractors in fields after they dry out. I won't run metal blades on weeds after things dry out. Just won't do it. So that's why I'm using just regular old trimmer line here. I know it's harder. I don't think it's harder. I don't think it takes longer. I'm so used to the trimmer line. If anything, I think the learning curve of using a metal blade actually slows me down a little bit, if that makes any sense. But anyway, just wanted to make this quick little interjection here, and now we'll get back to the video. I'm definitely not going to meet this goal. You see how far I made it all the way down there. I did run the 225U out of fuel, but it's 100 degrees out here, and in this get up, no way. But I have like OCD about foxtails in my socks. I've thrown boots away because they got foxtails in them, and they don't ever go away after that. So the rubber boots, the full long sleeve on overalls, it's just mandatory for me. So we're gonna get this cleaned up. The old 11 black Mini got a little workout today. I'm gonna get this cleaned up, get packed up, and move on to the next job.